ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯊꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯁꯇ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯦꯁꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯀꯤꯁꯣꯔ ꯁꯤꯡꯍ ꯁꯤꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔ ꯂꯈꯤꯄꯨꯔ PHC-ꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯀꯧꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ.
I am very grateful to Mr. Oman Singh for the constantly singing by Mr. Company of the Secretary, especially Sri Amir Badais Amir Ma. I give my due respect to them. The President, Secretary Devi, President Chief Guest Inspector Vijay Devi, Sanalami Devi, advisors of social activities to everyone, East November Singh, adventure, and Mahavdas, this Hajabab Tibiki for me out. Atanga, Gita Devi, Wal Devi, Latwa, Toy Devi, Atanga Sakri Devi, Sunai. And all the invitees groups, I give my due respect to them. I topic in what hygiene on mainly health and hygiene of the patient. I listen but this year with me. Women health and hygiene is a critical component. Health is the hygiene figure. Every woman, on the woman you know we can remember that health and hygiene is a very important critical animal kundaliniya. Health habits na hygiene habits na surrounding ka when na surrounding hygiene sila for the development of health and well-being. So for the reason, women health important hygiene. Good physical health is essential for women's overall well-being, regular medical checkup, and also prevent various health issues, including reproductive health conditions, chronic diseases, and age-related disease. Health hygiene mainly announcing especially to the women, especially anemia. Anemia is mostly 50% of women in India are anemic. 50% of India is anemic. Anemic hygiene, blood hemoglobin percentage से लिख पाओ. Basically, face generally very face oriented hospital life. Special to maternal health. During the pregnancy period, hemoglobin check generally we find 5, 6, 7, 5. Normally it should be 12 to 13. Whether 6, 7, 8 problem. But the delivery the very restricted very slight minutes of the blood transfusion happened. The complication gap yes. The anemia, causes of anemia anemia is very much especially dietary factor type iron is water. Rich food in diets are the vegetables, iron rich food. Vegetable chart red meat, fish of the last of the year where they have important factor of the iron rich food. And secondly, now, and especially to the women, when the menstrual loss, the blood loss, hormonal imbalance of the menorrhagia, excessive bleeding, this is one factor causing anemia in women. Basically, for us, we should check iron rich food. And one of the cheapest source of iron, say, when iron use the iron comes. Since in the neglect of you, exam iron this is easiest and cheapest source of iron source. government as a program weekly iron supplemental school weekly Monday iron tablet PJB program school program iron you can check medical check-up of your hemoglobin level check of you hospital is free of cost iron tablet usually iron what accounts iron super subscription salata iron injection so available free of cost so iron you can see mainly fatty only cari batani reduce next prevalence of breast cancer the most of this number one cause to be for the woman breast cancer so masih isi slide I would suggest any lump or swelling on breast self-examination na YouTube does self-examination check how to check self as a highly important self-check any swelling or abnormal finding consult sonography mammography early test diagnosis by lab 0% metabolic is 0% risk factor breast cancer they will be family history papa they should take care and detection and cervical cancer cervical cancer cervix so this is any white lectures irritation uneasiness feeling easily diagnosed pap smear non-invasive simple process doctor pap smear any suggestion doctor finding out we can very important I would be cervix cancer specs very latest spec so early indication black exposure is very high protection HPV papilloma virus vaccination vaccination personal sitting cardiovascular disease heart blood disease increasing in women particularly after menopause after generally 38 years which extend up to maybe 52 years 55 years when menopause due to hormonal imbalance heart disease particularly after menopause risk factors obesity sedentary life obesity hypertension and lifestyle diabetes now diabetes also very prevalent in women diabetes BP down heavily urbanization lifestyle and the change of the these two are disease kidney failure and vision loss. So diabetes in the beginning diabetes interest we talk about I advise everybody at least after 40 years every 6 months to 3 months we should have a blood sugar test. I should also advise blood sugar level due to some ignorance or others no problem but our motto is blood sugar control. I put up a child and Maduna, I am no problem. And sugar check was very important. Sugar is not normal, there is no problem, whether you control by medicine, whether you control by diet. Chocolate is a child control over sugar, but what should be how to control blood sugar. According to BP, say, but blood sugar, BP, even postpartum health policy, it should be below 440 or fasting should be below 90. 100 to 100 blood sugar should be under control. You take any medicine or you control by diet. Diet control the water diet. When diabetes is control, control over the diet is important. Especially if you don't have vision clear, vision is like the heart disease, it leads to many things. Reproductively, we have health issues like, for example, PCOS, endometriosis, fibroids, repeat our body lady, uterus lady, fibroid lady, tuber lack of the lack of awareness and limited access to treatment in rural areas. About osteoporosis, about weakness of the skeletal muscle, skeletal bone health. It causes due to lack of calcium channel. After when a post calcium channel deplete the way. So I will advise calcium rich food channel. Calcium supplementation tablet of channel. Increasing this fracture overnight prevention, increase calcium intake and physical activity. Mental health disorders, prevent depression, anxiety and stress and promote conservative in social expression. Anxiety or depression or very common due to urbanization family से कुछ लेवल बसी बता से वाला बच्चे की सेक्टुअल फैमिली लेवल से बाबा तो लापस लेते हैं बसे की डिप्रेशन से होवे सारा हम लोग फैमिली जॉब लेवल से डिप्रेशन से मतलब ले रहे हैं आप अपन दिन बाबा बच्चे कोई लोग फैमिली सारा सिंगल फैमिली लापस है बसे डिप्रेशन क्लास से कुछ आज बच्चे बसे प्रॉब्लम अप्लाई तो अर्ली ट्रीटमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड बसे अर्ली ट्रीटमेंट से आपको होता है but अर्ली finding से आपको होता है ना से डिप्रेशन करेंगे वो what is the source of the depression? Especially concerns psychiatrists for mental health issues culture taboo. When you have a culture, you say you want the doctor to wait time, then you go delay over the course. It may not cause it. And the urinary tract infection causes poor hygiene and post-natal changes. It can lead to due to the anatomical structure of women's are ladies are very prone to urinary tract infection. This is a health hygiene sector care to be important. Hypertension is the pressure in the urban area of the sedentary lab or diet habit of masih dia this lifestyle kamu masih dah boleh boleh hypertension boleh. Prevalence increasing urban due to poor lifestyle effect produce heart disease. Hygiene and preventive maintaining proper hygiene is essential to prevent infections and promote women's health. Menstrual hygiene, taboos in access to sanitary products are to prevent menstrual proper hygiene care to be sexual and brotherly health proper hygiene reduces risks of infections, promote better health. Maternal health, good hygiene. Maternal health, good hygiene practice during pregnancy reduces complications for both mother and child. Upon issue, during our process of delivery, but the good hygiene will be proper hygiene, even actually mother, the announce delivered to when hygiene the full care of the announce generally HIV mama na bacha on the process of delivery open good take care story machine process kaya no not only healthcare to the other users too. The role of education for awareness. Education is a powerful tool for improving women's health and hygiene. Public health, from paid schools and healthcare providers can also help spread awareness about essential health practice, reproductive rights, and importance of regular medical checkup. Education to the women is very necessary. Very message education we can your early pregnancy is usually able to get chance now. So women should be women education is more important than I just feel that when the father is educated, he is educated all over. When his mother is educated, all families are educated. Overcoming barriers like health, hygiene, कोई cultural taboo लेगा, कोई हर लम्हा समझे, कोई जो stress हो रही, कोई नम्बर लेंगी, युद्ध बंद हो गई, इडाला prescribe हो गई, युद्ध था लाएंगे, तो चार लोग सुबह हम जाओगे, maybe she was having very serious तो बड़ी चार लोग युद्ध चार दे, और serious लोगों ने लेंगे, even pregnancy बंदे, after birth बंदे, अगर mama cakap gas. Kali bija dah bukan dah. Cak lah ayat kerja aku. Aduh, jam tina kami kan lahir ke bumi. Kali ini at least mother delivered with the 1 liter to blood loss. Pregnancy period of cakap bagi even that after delivery 1 liter to blood loss. Bagi betul dah when even diet sila apna pregnancy diet and lactation diet होती है. Pregnancy diet में कोई simple normal diet है no problem. But after delivery अगर वो तुम दवाई diet से खाने से है तो तब sila simple diet कहीं पे जाओ तो rice करेगा आलू करेगा ना आए तो ये जो that is बाबू पापू कहीं तो है मशीन को सबसे अपन ठीक भी आपसे मैं आप कितना भी चालू है था तो कितना भी अभी देखिए थाउ चालू था थाउ कितना भी चालू करने हर किसी बाबा से अभी कहीं की नौकरी ठीक है ना पूरा बस मरी लेंगे तो मजा में है इन है इसे बेटा सी जाओगी क्या हम दाव को ना है इसे ना है करना बेटा के सी जाओगे बेटा के सी से अपनी आयरन शुगर बेटा के सी को है जिबो लोग ये शुगर अदु थातो बिजर दे अकोई तो से काम नहीं तो है इसे दांतरी बोर्डन को ना दिया ऐसे कोई बोर्डन अदु ई तो 1 लीटर में लॉस हो गया डिलीवरी में तब दा अदु शुगर है तो बिजर अभी आयरन टैबलेट चार फॉर्म में दिया कोई तो नहीं तो हम आयरन कैल्शियम में खाते हैं जरूर तो बस ये आपसे एड्रेस किया बस बाबा से जवानी हो कहाँ से बड़ी तो भी को चार तो कई तो प्रॉब्लम है अन्ना वक्त लेके अभी कुछ तो भी तब करना आशा भी बाबा को दावा डाली बाबा से कहीं चाह गया अपनी मदर मिल्स का एक्सेप्ट फिर अन्ना वास्ता we say baba years technical base maksudnya baba से कैंसर की बाबा कैंसर का चारा बाबा आपको एड्रेस के लिए बोलते हैं अमन HIV बाबा वाली अगर कोई बोलते हैं बस ये किस तरह का है बोलते हैं आते ही नो प्रॉब्लम इवन टीवी मदर्स ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग को भी प्रॉब्लम देते हैं मतलब अगर वो बाबा ने हेल्दी हो रही थी अगर वो रिपीटली पे तो बाबा सफर है अगर सफर ऐ वो प्रोजेक्ट women health and hygiene are integral and their physical, emotional and social well-being. Addressing key health issue, poverty, awareness and overcoming require collective efforts and individual communities and policymakers with proper education. Preventive care and supportive policies provide India can be mainly government to set up the program for the healthcare doctor. I thank you.